Are you ready to discover a phone that might completely change how we think about smartphones? The Google Pixel 10 Pro is coming soon, and trust me, this device is loaded with surprises you won't want to miss. So stick with me till the end, because there's something special waiting for those who watch the full video. The Pixel 10 Pro is shaping up to be Google's most powerful phone yet, powered by the upgraded Google Tensor G5 chip, built on a next-gen architecture that delivers lightning-fast performance, smoother multitasking, and incredible AI capabilities that take things to the next level. This phone isn't just fast, it's smart. With AI-driven features like real-time translation, context-aware voice assistants, and mind-blowing AI editing tools for photos and videos, the Pixel 10 Pro feels like it's predicting what you need before you even touch the screen. Speaking of the screen, you're looking at a stunning 6.9-inch QHD plus LTPO AMOLED display with up to 165 Hz refresh rate, offering ultra-smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and immersive clarity perfect for gamers, streamers, and creators. But what about battery life? Google has packed in a 5,500 mAh battery with hyper-optimized AI power management, making it last easily a full day and more, and with 125W wired charging and 50W wireless charging, you'll never wait long to get back to 100%. The cameras are where things get even more exciting. The Pixel 10 Pro is rumored to include a 200MP main sensor, a 64MP ultra-wide, and a 48MP periscope telephoto lens with up to 12x optical zoom, all boosted by Google's legendary computational photography and AI enhancements that bring out breathtaking detail, even in low light. Imagine shooting professional-grade content directly from your pocket, with video recording rumored to hit 8K HDR at 60 frames per second. And here's where the suspense builds. The Pixel 10 Pro might be the first phone to introduce Google's all-new AI Video Director mode, which helps you shoot cinematic clips by automatically adjusting angles, lighting, and focus in real time. Performance won't disappoint either, thanks to the Tensor G5 paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 5.0 storage, meaning whether you're gaming at high settings or editing massive 8K footage, this device will run smoother than ever. Security lovers will also appreciate the upgraded Titan M3 chip with AI-backed face recognition and in-display fingerprint sensor. Now, when can you expect it? The Google Pixel 10 Pro is expected to launch in October 2025, right in time for the holiday season, and trust me, it's going to give serious competition to Samsung and Apple. But here's the twist. Google might be planning to surprise fans with an exclusive limited edition color variant that will only be available for early buyers, and this could be a game changer for collectors and loyal fans. Imagine being one of the first to own a Pixel 10 Pro in a color no one else has. So what do you think? Will the Pixel 10 Pro dominate the smartphone race this year, or do you think Apple and Samsung can keep up? Drop your thoughts below, because I love hearing your opinions. And here's the surprise I promised. Rumors suggest Google may quietly bundle a brand new pair of Pixel Buds Pro 2 for free with the first wave of pre-orders, but only in select regions. Now that's something worth waiting for. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.